Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to avoid getting banned from Facebook ads, especially when you're promoting affiliate offers. I'll explain the right way to use a domain and send traffic safely without violating Facebook's policies. Let's jump in. Step 1. Never directly link to affiliate offers. One of the biggest reasons people get banned is because they send ads straight to an affiliate link. Facebook considers this risky and sometimes spammy, so your ad or account can get restricted instantly. The solution is simple. Always use your own website or a landing page first. Step 2. Create a clean landing page on your domain. Buy a clean, professional domain, no spammy names, then create a landing page that clearly explains the product, what users get, and has a proper privacy policy. Your landing page must match the promise in your ad. If your landing page is honest and transparent, Facebook won't punish your account. Step 3. Use a button instead of auto redirect. Facebook hates automatic redirects. Don't create a page that instantly jumps to your affiliate link. Instead, use a normal button that says Learn More, Get Offer, or Try Now. When users click the button, then send them to your affiliate link. This is fully allowed and keeps your domain safe. Step 4. Keep your domain clean. Make sure your website has no pop-ups that mislead people, no fake claims, no false promises, no hidden redirects. A clean domain builds trust, and your ad account will stay healthy longer. Step 5. Be honest in your ad copy. The fastest way to get banned is by saying things like guaranteed results, make $500 a day, or anything exaggerated. Facebook checks your ad and your landing page. Keep your copy realistic, honest, and matching the real product. And that's how you avoid getting banned on Facebook ads while promoting affiliate offers. Use your own domain, never redirect automatically, and keep everything honest and compliant. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and tell me what tutorial you want next.